Hi guys, please stick around while I run you guys through on how I achieved this delicious Obgono soup. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chineleze. If you're tuning for the first time, please do not make it on last. Okay. Please like, comment, share. I'm a Kaduna YouTuber based in Kaduna. So sorry for the wrong intro because my intro is just here and there. Anyways, let's make a quick soup before I head to my shop. Let's go. So guys, here I have my Uzisa leaf which I got for 200 naira. I have my ugu leaf which I got for 500 naira. Here is my Obgono. I just fetch out some cup from the house. I already have it and then I blend it. Here is my fish, also from our farm. Okay. Here is my seasoning. Here is my crayfish. Here is my fresh pepper, my palm oil, and salt to taste. In here, I'm boiling stockfish, goat meat, and cow intestine. So let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to go in with some water. More water, more water, more water. guys, this is my Obgono soup. So this brings us to the end of this video. Okay, so please like, comment, share, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to like, comment, share for real Nigerian cooking videos like this. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.